1 week ago, a quiet street at Diamond Head became the center of chaos. 2 police officers were shot and killed. The 77-year-old woman, who neighbors say was the landlord, was found dead after a massive fire burned several homes. Sarah Madison has more on the road to recovery. Sarah.
Sam, the sight of devastation at Diamond Head can be painful to bear. One neighbor tells us these last few days have been difficult, especially for those who lost everything. Now he says so much has happened that it's hard to believe only a week has passed by. Homes burned down to rubble, charred vehicles and trees have been a heavy sight for neighbors who were able to return to what's left of Hibiscus Drive.
Beginning of the week was really difficult, as you can imagine.
Coleman tells us his heart goes out to his neighbors who lost everything. And in a time of darkness, neighborhood support has been the focus.
The incident occurred, people had definitely become closer, and everybody's kind of reaching out to each other.
Like many, Coleman ponders what could have been done to avoid the tragic murders and fire. In an exclusive interview last week with neighbor Warren Daniel, he questioned about moving forward without seeing real change. Daniel was one of the neighbors who filed the temporary restraining order against suspect Jerry Hanel.
If you're worried about mental health of people who you're issuing temporary restraining orders to and restraining orders to, the underlying discussion is mental health. So maybe a mental health evaluation should be part of a TRO, so you really know.
Senator Karl Rhodes has been working on a measure that gives judges an option to refer a defendant to a mental health evaluation.
It's really aimed at ending the cycle. The prisons are not equipped to take care of psychiatric patients, but there's an alarmingly high percentage of people in prison or jail do have psychiatric problems.
Judges already have a lot of independent authority, but this measure would make that power more formal and clear.
And it sort of acts as education for all the judges that, hey, you need to think about all the stuff that you have within your power.
Currently, the proposal focuses on criminal cases, but Rhodes is open to expanding it to civil cases regarding restraining orders.
We started working on the bill before this tragedy occurred. I think it's a great idea, and I think that, I certainly will try to incorporate that into the bill as it goes along.
Now this week, a candlelight vigil will be held for Officer Kaulike Kalama on Tuesday night at Sandy Beach. A celebration of life has been set for Officer Tiffany Enriquez on Thursday at Diamond Head Memorial Park. Back to you, Sam.